everyone, Miss Alice here with a recipe. Today we're going to be making a cucumber and chickpea salad. It's a Michigan Harvest of the Month recipe and it's nice and easy. Let's get started.
For this recipe, we only need a few ingredients. We'll need chickpeas, we'll need a small onion, we'll need a tomato, we'll need a cucumber, Italian dressing, garlic powder, and salt and pepper. Okay, let's get started. This recipe will be using a sharp knife to cut up our vegetables, so you'll make sure to grab an adult to help you out. For the cucumber, the tomato, and the onion, we're going to take them and dice them into nice small pieces. You want the pieces to be uniform, but they can be a little bit bigger than the chickpeas. You can peel the cucumber if that's what you prefer. Okay, now we're ready to put our salad together. You'll need a big bowl for this. And we'll start by adding in all of the ingredients we just chopped up, our cucumbers, our tomatoes, and the onions. You can add in the chickpeas, and then add in some salt and pepper. You can add as much or little as you like. I like a lot of pepper, so I used a lot. You'll want to add a little bit of garlic powder, just a couple shakes. And then you'll add in your salad dressing. You can use whatever salad dressing you like. I used a nice Italian vinaigrette. You'll use about a quarter cup. And then stir it all up and make sure that everything gets nicely coated and is mixed together.
And there we have it, our cucumber and chickpea salad. This is a great summer recipe for hot days, uses great summer produce, and you can swap it up. Add in different beans or different veggies that you happen to have on hand. Thanks for watching. Bye.